Right, this is my sort of instructional video on the relay timer. The xy-j02. Now, it's a great little timer. I want to use that for a spot 18650 battery spot welder, which I'm modifying an arc welder, and I want to just have the basic function of press the button, foot switch and relay on for a set time and relay off. So how do we program it? The instructions are not sort of easy to read. I'm not sure I've fully got it anyhow. So let's go for it. I'll just talk briefly about how to wire it up. It's a 5-volt power supply. Positive, negative. Run a loop from your negative down to this common. Then run another wire from your positive. That's then your switch wire going into there. Break this wire then with your foot switch and you've got your switch. So loop your two negatives commons together, negatives, and then positive, and from your positive into your switch wire. Don't know why they've done it like that, but that's how they've done it. I'm not going to talk about relays because a lot of the videos I've searched are endless talking about relays. Normally up and on goes, that's it, it's a relay. Right, so let's go. Like I say, I'm not sure I've fully got it. P1 flashes. Now, when you look at the instructions, it talks about P1.1. Sorry, it talks about various different operating modes. First one being P1. P1 doesn't exist. It doesn't come up on here. The first one is P1.1. Now that's the one I want anyhow. So if you're looking for more than that, unfortunately I can't help you. So let's start. Turn it off again. So I think once it starts flashing you have to sort of be quick. Set. Now it's saying 000. That is I think the time. It doesn't tell you what time you've programmed into it, but that's just the time. And then if you press stop, off, that turns off. Right, so we've got 000. Pressing stop, it says on. Press it again, it says off. That is to turn the energizing the relay on and off. If you turn it off, the light comes on to indicate you've switched, but it doesn't energize the relay. So you want to so leave that on, and then it's gone back to that. So let's go set again. P1. How do we go up and down? Up, down, up, up and pressing up. Right, keep going. 1, keep missing it. 1, 1, set it. It's flashing. 0, 0, that's time. So and the instructions does give you a little bit of sort of let's see how to stop it. I think it said briefly press stop. After setting the parametric value in the motor, press stop to select the timing range. So we press stop to select the timing range. Bang, off. No, that's off. P1, set, stop. There we are. Look, briefly it said it. Off, set. No. Got there. What did I press then? Oh, up, down, up. Stop. CP. CP, again I've pressed stop and CP came up then. OD. On, off. We're cycling through different, using the stop button, we're cycling through on, off for the relay, and CP, and the other one, is to, right, that's on, that means the display will go off in 5 seconds, or you can have it on permanently. OD. I think OD is permanently on, so that won't go off now in 5 seconds, hopefully. Right, so set, let's bring up off, no, don't want that, I want it on. Up, got P1. And it cycles through all the data then, 0p, time, and then it's gone to 0. So let's go back to, I'm going to press up again, P1, set, no, missed it. Going through the data, when I press up, P1, up, 0p, time, and that, don't know why it does that, set, P1, set, P1 flashing. Don't press stop and 3 zeros. Off, no, on, I want that. Right, press up again to get, and that's flashing through the data. The settings, 0 point time, I think 0p means 0 off time, because basically all you're doing in this program is turning that on, so it doesn't, the off time is 0, I think that's what that is. So I'm trying to get into, press up, P1, set, I missed it, set, missed it, right, it's going well. Set, stop, no, CP, stop, pressing stop, at this point is getting me on, off, on, off, OD, did I double bounce it then? On, off, on, I want it on, set, off, no, on, I want it on, press set, now it happens. I'm on that P1 one again, let's get press set, flashing, again that's going through flashing, stop, no, keep going to stop, but stop just as those options of relay on and off, display on and off. So up, I think they did mention a 2 seconds press of the stop button. What does that do? On the 00 press stop for 2 seconds, 1000, 2000, no. Can't get into it. Can't get into its adjustment cycle. Although that's not a bad thing, because I've managed to set mine. Stop button. Now that's your display. So it must be, is it quick press of the stop? No. Is it set? Long press of the set. Short press of the set. Up. Ah, there, look, we're there. Short press of the set, when it's on 0, 0, I can adjust. I'm adjusting now in hundredths of seconds. And I want 3 tenths of a second for my welder. Set it. Press set again. Hopefully it's there. Can't be sure. Bit hit and miss. Ugh. It's flashing like it's not set. So keep pressing the set button. Right, and I don't know if that video has been of any help to you. I shall have to watch it again myself to see how I've actually got this to work. It just isn't that very easy, so... But I've got there, I've got it to work in 3 tenths of a second. I'll just show you what I'm building. I'm modifying a arc welder, which I want to step down the... I think that's normally about 20 volts, 115 amp, stepping down mains voltage down to 20 volts. I want to step it down to 2 volts and as sort of many amps as I can get, 500 or 600 amps to weld nickel tabs on 18650 batteries. Right, you can check out my building an e-bike from start to finish.